Good morning everyone, I'm Rajat Lamba. I'm working with publishing sector for last 10 years. So I'm teaching you some yoga poses which can help you to keep your health fit during this lockdown period. And you can teach these steps to your parents as well and to your family members so all can remain fit and healthy. So let's start. So I'm teaching you Bhujangasana right now. So Bhujangasana is about a yoga pose which keeps your respiratory system good, healthy. So respiratory system means your lungs, your breathing system. Okay, you can put your hands over here also and then slowly and gradually take your hands towards your chest and then with the help of your elbows and your hands just push your chest and abdomen up. And while you are pushing your abdomen and your chest up, you should breathe slowly. Keep breathing slowly. After doing it for 1 to 2 minutes initially in the beginning, you can leave the pose slowly and gradually and you can come back to the ground and place your chin again here. And then you can put your both hands below it. Similarly, you can do this yoga pose like this also. Moreover, when you again want to relax your body, you can keep your palms here and just breathe. And up to the right side also, breathe. Another yoga pose which can help you to keep your digestive system, your stomach fit and healthy is Vajrasana. So let's do Vajrasana. How we do it? Okay, you can place your legs straight like this and keep your hands like this around your thighs and then when you are straight and then keep your legs one by one, right leg under your thigh and then left leg under your left thigh. Then sit in a comfortable position with both your toes touching to each other and your feet touching to each other. And then place your hands here on your thighs. Then slowly start breathing. Slowly, normally breathe. In the beginning, when you start doing this pose, you sometimes feel that your thighs are tired and your legs are also tired. There will be a little bit of pain. So in the initial stages, you can do it for 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Later on, you can extend the duration of sitting like this. How this asana helps you to keep your digestive system strong is when you push your legs, lower leg with your thighs and then your lower body blood goes into your stomach part, abdomen part and the digestive system is more effective and doing more active working and then digestion is strong. And you can do this after meals also. It is preferred after meals. After doing it for 4 to 5 minutes, you can leave slowly and gradually your one thigh, then another thigh. And you can relax your body. Another yoga pose which can help you to keep your thighs and your legs strong, you can do is chair pose. Chair pose is when you sit like a chair. So like this you can keep your feet together, touching to each other and your ankles should touch to each other when you are doing it. Don't apart your legs. And then slowly and gradually sit like you are sitting on a chair and move your hands forward. Breathe slowly. Initially you will be able to do it for 1 to 2 minutes. Similarly, like other poses, you can increase the duration slowly and gradually. After doing this pose, slowly and gradually move ahead and bring your hands down. You will feel a little bit of stress on your thighs. You can relieve the stress by doing child pose also. So how we do child pose? You can sit on your thighs again. Like similarly we sit in Vajrasana, and then you can leave your body on the floor. Breathe. Slowly and gradually come back when you are feeling relaxed. All yoga poses will help you to keep yourself fit and healthy during this lockdown. Have a healthy lockdown, and during this lockdown you can also try some other activities which can help you to lead a better life. As you can do gardening as well. Sometimes you can help your parents in cooking and learn cooking as well. And moreover, keep your surroundings clean so that you are safe. So stay safe, stay home. Thank you.